Good day guys! Ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin ang new uniform for DepEd personnel based on DepEd Memorandum 28 Series of 2025 pero bago yan, intro muna tayo. Konti lang. Ito ang DepEd Memorandum 28 Series of 2025 na inilabas noong March 2, 2025. Nakasaad dito na 3 new sets of DepEd national uniform designs for classroom and office-based personnel starting the transition period of the school year 2025 tandang bawas 2026. Ano-ano ba ang new sets of uniform design para sa mga classroom-based personnel ng DepEd? Para sa Monday, design ito ay ASEAN and Filipiniana, inspired uniforms for male teachers. For female teachers, para sa Tuesday at Thursday, design we for male teachers. For female teachers. Para sa Wednesday, design ni for male teachers. For female teachers. Maraming salamat. Sana ay nakatulong ako.